Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. Start by parking on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the battery. Remove any covers or brackets that secure it. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Lift the old battery straight out using safe grips and a lifting strap if needed. Clean the tray and terminals before installing the new battery to ensure a solid connection. First, loosen the clamp or hold down and remove the bracket that secures the battery. Use insulated tools and disconnect the negative cable, followed by the positive cable, and tuck them aside. Lift the battery out with a firm, controlled motion, avoiding tipping that could spill acid. Take a moment to inspect the tray and cables for corrosion, cleaning, or replacing parts as necessary. Replace any corroded terminals to prevent future charging issues. Position the new battery in the tray so both terminals are accessible and cables reach without strain. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and tighten both terminals to the manufacturer's torque recommendation to avoid over or under tightening. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and any covers removed earlier, then start the vehicle to confirm charging and electrical systems are functioning. Check for warning lights and listen for abnormal sounds, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.